So, how does magnetic nail polish work? In this video, I'm going to test Born Pretty Magnetic UV Gel Nail Polish. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. Now we have to open up these two last things from my other package. Dual-ended magnetic nail stick, and on the back it has some instructions. So this is what it looks like. On the other side there are the two magnets, and later on in this video I'm actually going to try out using refrigerator magnets and see if that can work, because that's a question I actually had, so that's what I'm going to try out later in this video. Okay, so I had a little bit of trouble opening it up, but this is what it looks like. It's this brown, I think this color is perfect for fall. I mean, it's shifting kind of from like a green to a brown. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm taking my UV base coat and applying that over the peel-off base coat on all my nails. Now what I'm going to do is paint two of the nails I can use with the dark red, and then the two other I'm actually going to give a coat of the cat eye polish. So we can try out two different methods of this magnetic polish. Now I don't think they sent me that brush that you can use to paint this on, so I'm just going to use one of my nail art brushes here. I think that should work fine. I have this set from Twinkle Tea. Ooh, it's pretty stringy. Look how stringy it is. Well, that is super pretty. Let's do the pinky. It's a bit sheer, but boy, there's quite a shift there, huh? Hey guys, have you ever tried magnetic nail polish before? Share your answer below. Or you could also vote your answer by clicking right up here. Alrighty, so now we're going to get into the fun stuff. So first I'm going to try it on these red guys. So I'm going to paint a coat of it over the whole nail. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Okay, now let's try this. So I'm just going to hold this over it. Oh, look at that! Whoa! That was so cool. What if I do it the other way? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, let me try the rounded end this time. See what I can do here. Alright, that's interesting. I think I kind of ruined it. Let's try again with this other red one. There we go. That is cool. What if I turn it more to be horizontal like this? Oh, now we got a horizontal line. Okay, now we have something. That's interesting. Now let's try the effect over a nail that already has a cured coat of the magnetic polish. I'm curious to see how well this will work. Do you see things happening? Ooh, that is cool. Okay, let me try from the other side now. Whoa, okay, that's actually really cool. It's quite mesmerizing, huh? Okay, yeah, we got ourselves a little swirly shift there. I'm so pleased how these came out. I think if you were to ask me, I like how these two came out more than the ones I did over the red polish. It is pretty, but it's just not as, I don't know, just not as clear maybe or something. So why don't we go try out the refrigerator magnet idea, okay? So I grabbed a few magnets from my fridge. Here I have this round one that's like this, and then I have this little one like this, And then I have this big red shoe barn magnet. Not sponsored. You know, these are already all cured, but I think I could still add some on, can I? There goes a coat of that. Let's start out with this magnet, this little one right here. So this is weird. I'm just gonna hold it right here. Oh, is it doing it? Okay, it actually did something weird. It kind of gathered it up into like this line. Okay, let's try again over here. Oh, that is interesting. So this magnet does work, and I know these ones are pretty powerful that we have. I'm going to kind of mess this all around. So we have a clean slate, and then we can try again with the next magnet. Okay, so let's try this big one now. Should I just like hold it over it? I don't know what to do. Oh, what? That is cool. Okay, so I just held it over the edge and look at all those little lines it made. Whoa. Okay, so in a way, this one also worked. However, I could see how it'd be hard to really have any control over what design it makes because I had no idea it was going to make lines like that. Now let's mess this up and try the next one. So the next one is this Lake Tahoe magnet, which I really like. And should I hold it over half like this? Okay, again, it did something kind of random and kind of weird. Yeah, looks like it will be hard to do any design. So in review, do refrigerator magnets work? I'd say yes. I mean, unless it's a super weak one, then I don't think that could do much. But the designs it makes, as you just saw, is really random. You don't really know what it's going to do. So that'd be a fun thing if you want to do, just try out your refrigerator magnets, see what funny designs they come up with. And another thing, so we had a lot of fun playing with these, trying out different magnets, different designs, different styles like going at it. But how does this actually work? How does magnetic nail polish work? So there are these tiny pieces of iron in the nail polish. So when you hold a magnet up to it, those little shavings will move around toward or away from the magnet. But you have to do this while it's still wet and not cured. So that's cool. You can really just play around with it until you're happy with it, and then you can cure it. I hope you all enjoyed watching me test out this stuff and have some fun too. But you guys seem to really enjoy my testing hacks videos, so hit the notification bell because next time I'm going to test out some more, probably from Troom Troom. And here are the comment winners. Thank you so much everyone for your comments and love, and thank you also for 400 subscribers. That's amazing. I think for a 500 subscriber special, I might do like a Q&A video idea like that, so that's something I'll keep in mind. If you'd like free personalized emails from me every Saturday, I have a newsletter you can sign up to, and the link for that is below in the description. So that's cure. So that's cool. You can really just play around. So now that I got an idea of what these kind of are like, I'm going to try out Refrigermate. I'm going to try out using Oh, it's so magnetic. It can even hold my scissors. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, feel free to subscribe below. I post nail art tutorials twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And comment below which of these nails do you like the best. I'd have to say the ring finger is my favorite. I just love that swirl. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best, and have a magical day.